Hi everyone, I hope you had a great weekend and I hope you're super excited to be back learning with me today. So this is Miss McCarter and I'm going to be teaching you how to use PicMonkey.com in order to make your digital advertisement for the assignment. Just a little refresher of what this assignment is going to be is you are going to come up with your own invention, something that you want to create and you want to sell to the world. We're not really going to be selling it to the world, but it's just kind of for fun and getting the idea of persuasion in your mind. You will upload a picture or drawing of whatever it is you want to design onto a digital poster or flyer, and you will have to make an advertisement explaining why someone should buy this and why your invention is beneficial to the world. So like I said, we're going to be using PicMonkey.com. So what you want to do is open up Google or Yahoo, whatever you like to use at home, and type in PicMonkey.com and then hit this little search bar and it'll be the first one that pops up. Boop. Alright. And you want to go over to the right hand side where it says login. Now everyone, I've already registered your accounts with your Gmail account because our school, as you know, like everyone has a Gmail account for the school. So what you want to just hit is login with Google, and on your Chromebook you should already be signed in like I am too. So you'll hit your account. You don't want the Pro feature, so you can hit the X button, and you want to go to edit new image, and like I was playing around with it earlier so you can see all the ones that I have. You can either do blank canvas or template. I'm going to show you what a template looks like just because I like them and sometimes it gives you ideas. You want to scroll over here to the left hand side. Scroll down, you can see there's all these different kinds of templates. I like to go all the way to the kind of towards the end to flyer, and I hit all because it gives you all the options. And so I'm going to hit this one because it looks pretty cool. And so what it will do is it'll pop up right here on your right hand side. So I don't obviously want my flyer to say Concert on the Gardens. So this will be most likely your title. And what I did to get there is you go all the way to the end of your word, and you double click, and then you hit the backspace button, and then you can type from there. So it gets rid of whatever it is. So I go to this text box, double click, and now I can get rid of all the text that's in here. My computer's slow. There we go. Okay, so you can drag your title up, and if you want, you can change the text color by hitting this button right here. It'll let you change it to whatever color you want. You can change it to blue, purple, blah, blah, blah. For this purpose, I'm just going to keep it white. Then I would like you to add a photo of your invention. Go over here to photo, add own photo. You can either have it from your computer, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Photos, whatever you like to use. And you already all know how to upload a photo, so you'll just do that. But I'll show you one that I'll do. I'll upload my photo. I'll resize it. Obviously it's not the best. That's okay. And then I want you can play around with these different things, textures or effects to make it different things, graphics, you can add like a business icon, all that kind of stuff to your thing. And I would like you to add at least 4 bullet points of why we should have your or buy your advertisement, and that should include price, who you're targeting, and what's its function, like what can it do. And if you guys have any questions on what to use PicMonkey for, or if you have any questions on these features, please feel free to give me an email at any time. Thank you. Good luck, guys.